Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your Salesforce edition and API version in Lightning. Whether you're working on integrations, troubleshooting compatibility issues, or just need to know what tier your organization is on, this information is essential for managing your Salesforce environment effectively. Let's walk through how to locate both of these details step by step. First, log into your Salesforce Lightning org on the web. Make sure you're accessing it through your browser so you can navigate through the setup options we'll need. Once you're logged in and viewing your Lightning homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all administrative settings and configurations within Salesforce. Click on the gear icon to open the setup menu. A drop-down will appear with several options. From this drop-down, click on Setup. This will take you to the main setup page where you can access all the organizational settings and administrative tools that Salesforce offers. Now that you're on the setup page, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Quick Find box. This search tool is incredibly useful for navigating Salesforce's extensive settings quickly in the Quick Find box. Type company information. As you type, search results will begin to populate below the box. Click on company information from the search results. You'll find this option listed under Company Settings. This page contains all the key details about your Salesforce organization, including licensing information and organizational identifiers. Once the company information page loads, scan through the fields until you locate Organization Edition. This field displays your current Salesforce edition, such as Enterprise, Professional, Developer, or Unlimited. This tells you exactly what tier of service your organization is using and what features are available to you. Now that you've found your edition, let's move on to locating the API version. Return to the Quick Find box on the left side of the setup page. This time, type API into the search box. The Quick Find will filter results related to API settings and tools. From the search results, click on API under the Integrations section. This takes you to a page where you can access various API-related tools and documentation that Salesforce provides for developers and administrators. On the API page, you'll see a button labeled Generate Enterprise WSDL. WSDL stands for Web Services Description Language, and it's a file that contains detailed information about your Salesforce API configuration. Click this button to proceed. A new page will appear asking you to confirm the generation. Click the Generate button again to create the WSDL file. This will load a page displaying the WSDL content in XML format. On the WSDL page that appears, look near the top of the XML code. In the Commented Out section, you'll find the API version number clearly listed. This number indicates which version of the Salesforce API your organization is currently using, which is crucial information for any integration work or development projects. And there you have it. You've successfully located both your Salesforce edition and API version in Lightning. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.